Which ways? This is Trish, and today's workout is just for you mob at home. We're going to do full body beginner workouts. Come on, let's go do it.
Push your lower back into the floor, engaging your core. Lift your hips, contracting your glutes at the top of the movement. Lower and repeat. Bending your knees, coming down into a squat as low as you comfortably can. Keeping your weight in your heels and then pushing through and contracting your glutes on the way up. Starting with your elbows by your side, arch your chest and push the dumbbell straight up, contracting your chest muscles. Slowly return your elbows to the floor. Starting with a slight bend in your knees and hinging from the hips, you want to squeeze your lats as you bring your elbow and the dumbbell back. Starting on all fours, extend one arm and the opposite leg out till they're pointing. Return to the middle and swap sides.
So I hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you have any questions or requests, just send them through and I'll see if I can hook you up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow for more. Thanks.